What's up EvoWorld players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new.
Hey everyone, welcome back to EvoWorld, the ultimate place for EvoWorld.io tips, tricks, and giveaways. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today's video is going to be packed with gameplay, secrets, and a huge giveaway at the end, so don't skip. Alright, let's jump right into EvoWorld. Starting from a tiny fly and trying to evolve all the way up to the strongest creatures in the game. Today, I'm going to show you how to level up super fast, avoid getting eaten, and some hidden tricks most players don't know about. Show gameplay. Collecting orbs, avoiding predators, evolving step by step. The first tip: always stay near food sources, but don't get greedy, watch for bigger predators. Second tip: use unique escape. Now that I've evolved a few times, things get tougher. Every stage in EvoWorld requires a different strategy. For example, as a dragonfly, staying near water gives you an advantage. As you evolve into larger creatures, you can finally start hunting other players instead of just surviving. Show funny, epic moments, maybe getting chased, or defeating another player. Comment down below your favorite animal in EvoWorld. I'll be picking one random comment to win free gems at the end of this week. Alright, now we're in the advanced stages. This is where the game gets really exciting. Bigger predators, higher risks, but also way more fun. Let me show you one of the best spots to farm XP super fast. Show secret spots, high XP food areas, tricks for survival. Also, pro tip: if you want to evolve quicker, avoid unnecessary fights. Only attack when you're confident you can win. Otherwise, you'll lose all that progress in seconds. Okay guys, as promised, it's giveaway time. I'll be giving away free gems, skins, bonus codes. Customize this to lucky subscribers. To enter, keycap 1 subscribe to the channel. Keycap 2 like this video. Keycap 3 comment your favorite EvoWorld animal below. Winners will be announced in the next video, so don't miss it. That's it for today's EvoWorld adventure. I hope these tips help you level up faster and survive longer. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and share this video with your friends who love EvoWorld. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.